Hi students, today I am going to discuss one more important Neyman reaction, that is Arndt-Eister homologation. And in this Arndt-Eister homologation, what we are going to do is, here we are going to convert a carboxylic acid to its homologue, that is 1CH2 group longer in 3 stages. Is known as Arndt-Eister homologation. Means here we are going to convert a carboxylic acid into its homologous series. That is, we are going to add methylene group so that there will be elongation of the chain, and that reaction is known as Arndt-Eister homologation. And we have mentioned that it is going to take place in 3 stages. So if you look at the first stage, in first stage what happens is, here acid will be converted into acid chloride. So whatever the acid starting material we are going to take, it is going to be converted into corresponding acid chloride. That is carboxylic acid upon treatment with thionyl chloride, there will be loss of sulfur dioxide and HCl, and it is going to give you the corresponding acid chloride. So this is the first stage. If you come for the second stage, here in the second stage there will be formation of alpha diazo ketone. So whatever the acid chloride formed in the first stage, that acid chloride upon treatment with diazomethane, here we are going to take 2 equivalent, and there will be loss of methyl chloride as well as dinitrogen gas, leads to the formation of alpha diazo ketone. And this alpha diazo ketone in the third stage undergoes Wolff rearrangement to give homologated derivative, that is alpha diazo ketone will undergo Wolff rearrangement in presence of catalyst like silver oxide, water, or silver benzoate in triethylamine, or it can also be catalyzed by thermal or photochemical. So either of this will lead to decomposition of this alpha diazo ketone, which leads to the formation of homologated derivative. If the nucleophile is water, then we are going to get homologated corresponding carboxylic acid. If it is alcohol, we are going to get homologated ester derivative. If it is amine, then we are going to get homologated amide derivative. So this is how and ester homologation will occur in 3 stages. If we come for the mechanism how this and ester homologation is going to take place, carboxylic acid upon treatment with thionyl chloride is going to lose HCl and it is going to form this intermediate. This is going to react with chloride ion which leads to the formation of this tetrahedral intermediate. Now this tetrahedral intermediate is going to collapse. That is, there will be loss of sulfur dioxide, leads to the formation of acid chloride. Now this acid chloride going to react with diazomethane. So this diazomethane reacts with acid chloride and it is going to form tetrahedral intermediate. This intermediate, now it is going to lose a chloride ion, which leads to the formation of so whatever the chloride ion removed in this step, now it is going to abstract this proton and there will be formation of HCl, and this HCl is going to react with one more equivalent of diazomethane and it is going to form methyl chloride and there will be loss of nitrogen molecule. We are going to get diazomethane, and in this diazomethane Z conformation. Is going to lose nitrogen means here this diazomethane, due to this single bond rotation, it can form this Z conformation as well as this E conformation. But in Wolf rearrangement, this SZ conformation is going to react further. This is not going to react. So this SZ conformation here S represents single bond. This is going to lose nitrogen molecule in presence of silver oxide or thermal condition. So whatever the conditions I have mentioned. So it is going to lose nitrogen molecule and it is going to form carbene intermediate, and this carbene intermediate will undergo 1,2 shift. That is, this R group may shift here and this migrate here, and it is going to form ketene. Known as ketene intermediate. And this ketene intermediate, upon treatment with nucleophile, so whatever this nucleophile, it is going to attack this ketene and it is going to form corresponding homologated derivative. Means we have introduced CH2 group. So this is the mechanism of Arndt-Oersted synthesis. So it is mainly used for the elongation of carboxylic acid chain. Thank you.